Good day, I'm Brian G. Gloria. So now I will make 3 binary inputs and, and using breadboards. So here I already connected the ground and the VCC lines, and in here we have 3 buttons. This will be the 3 binary inputs, and this is 7 segment display cathode. So by using IC, I have 7432 and 7408 and 7404 IC. So to make it function, we'll be using wires. Connect the IC to buttons to 7 segment display by using wires, and this is the connector I will be using from power supply. So now I will find the workplace to do this, and watch me over there. I'm Brian Gigloria once again. So I already finished my circuit and this is how it looks. So my objective of circuit I made is to count from 0 to 7. And for the connection, I I base it in my equation that I solved using K-map. So here, so I have the combination of OR gate, AND gate, and NOT gate. So in this equation that I solve, it can make a diagram. So I base this in my Bluetooth. So by applying this in my breadboard, I I have 3 buttons here. So I indicated this as my XYZ, and in XYZ I connected to the IC, which is NOT gate, AND gate, and so on. So this how it works. So first I made the equation of A, B, C, and the output of those equations will be connected to the 7-segment display. So this the output. This called the black ones. So this is the output of each equation. So that's how I made my equation and perform my wirings. And for the errors that I encounter, first is the line of VCC and ground. It's so complicated because sometimes there's no voltage running around that leads me to a short circuit, and the output will be steady in a high or low mode. In the part of the output that not necessary to be high or low because I plugged the wrong wires in a wrong holes, creating between things that should not be connected. Lastly, in the wires or components that are not fully connected, that leads me to a lost contact between breadboard and the wires. To solve those problems or errors, I double check the wirings of the wrong output, and sometimes I plug out and repeated the wirings of the wrong output to make sure that there is no problem to be encountered again. So in functionality test, first this will be 0, as you can see. Then if you input 001, this will be 1, and if you input 010, this will be 2, and if you input 011, this will be 3, and 100, 4, 101, 5, 110, 6, and 111 is 7. So this is, so as you can see, this actual implementation is functioning to 0 to 7, from 0 to 7.